What's up, everybody? It's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Now, if this shirt looks familiar to you, I actually wore it in my last vlog style video that I did, so I guess this is just my vlog shirt right now. But anyway, I'm not bringing y'all a formally edited video this week, but I promise y'all one video a week, so I'm bringing you some kind of content, right? And I actually am excited about this video because just a quick backstory. I've been working on my golf game recently. You know, I'm finally embracing this idea of being an adult doctor and living in South Florida, and all those things together mean that I should probably play more golf than I do. So a couple of months ago, I bought some really cheap golf clubs from OfferUp or Let Go or whatever it's called now, and I didn't use them a whole bunch, but over the last couple of weeks, I've really been trying to up my golf game. And my favorite part thus far is the short game. I don't know. The reason why I like the short game is because I can't hit a ball straight to save my life. Like off a tee, I have no idea how to swing a driver at this point. So I figured I'm gonna focus on my short game, get the chip shots together, and especially get the putting together. So I went ahead and at the recommendation of my good buddy Sly, check out his salon. I'm gonna post the link to Sly's salon in the description below. So check him out if you're in South Florida and you need to look fabulous and get your hair done. But anyway, I took his advice and I went ahead and got this putting mat by SKLZ. So he probably saved me a bunch of money because, to be real, like I'm kind of impulsive, and you know, I was gonna buy like a whole $150 putting mat, but Sly kind of, you know, he was like, yo, you gotta slow down, buckaroo. And he suggested that I get this putting mat by SKLZ, and it was $44. I ordered it on Wednesday, and it's here. Wait, let me get my light together. All right, so I ordered it on Wednesday. It's here on a Friday, and Amazon dropped it off just a few minutes ago, and here it is, and we're gonna unbox it and check it out. All right, where's my light? There's my light. All right, so I normally like to use my Leatherman Raptor trauma shears to open boxes and stuff, but those are in the car. So I'm gonna use these regular trauma shears, and who cares what you use to open a box, right? Like, that's the least important part of this whole thing. But I do wanna take a second just to shout out Air Life. We used to get these shears for free from Air Life, and those were the like the EMTs, the first responders who also flew the helicopter, and they have saved just countless lives by their, you know, medical knowledge, professionalism, and their awesomeness at flying helicopters. So shout out to Air Life, and thanks for the free shears, and let's open this box. Let's get it. Okay. Ooh. All right. So we got the SKLZ Accelerator Pro, and so this is cool. This is a cool putting mat because it gives you 3 different distances to putt from, and the whole point of it is that it shows you, and you're putting up a hill, and it shows you how far you're supposed to bring your putter back to get the distance that you want. And there's also the lines, kind of looks like a landing strip to make sure that you're on line with your putts. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up, and we'll set it up, and we'll hit a couple balls and see how it feels. Yeah. So it's actually a lot narrower than I thought, which is a little intimidating, but it's cool because, you know, we're trying to putt in a straight line anyway. So all we have to do is pretty much put together the ball tracks and connect them using the connectors C and D. Oh, I see. All right, I'm gonna get some books to put on this thing to kind of flatten it out, and then I'll get Carlicia's putter, and we're gonna hit a couple balls. BRB. All right, we're gonna let this thing flatten out for a little bit. One good thing about I'm never gonna run out of like huge, heavy books to weigh things down. All right, I'm gonna get these golf clubs. This is Carlicia's club. She just bought this the other day from the PGA store in Plantation. It's a pretty decent putter. Oh, I need golf balls. I'm excited. Can you tell? All right, so I've sat the books on this golf mat for like an hour now, and it's pretty flat. It's still got a couple of humps in it. It's not completely flat. So I wasn't really expecting that to happen, but it looks pretty flat. We're gonna give it a couple hits. You're kind of hitting up a hill, and then you got this ball return, and what happens is the ball just goes into here. It comes for the ball return, but the balls don't really return all that far. I mean, if you're hitting from the 3 foot mark, it's cool, but if you're hitting from the 5 foot mark or the 7 foot mark, it doesn't come anywhere near where it's supposed to go. So anyway, the whole point of this mat, let's look at the markings here. So let's do the 5 foot. So this is weird. It won't stay on the, it looks like it's pretty flat. I don't know if it's my little rug here or what, but it just won't stay on the dot for 5 feet. Anyway, let's move it to 3 feet. All right, so the way this is supposed to work is that your club head starts at this line right here. You go as far back as these arrows, and then you're supposed to accelerate through like smooth and controlled to complete your putt. All right, one-handed putt from 3 feet. And that's how it's done. So that's it for this week. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.